President Donald Trump tells hundreds of top American military leaders together we're reawakening the warrior spirit. Those generals and admirals were summoned to Quantico, Virginia from around the globe. The commander-in-chief and his secretary of war made it clear that woke culture is done in the U.S. military. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen.
Veronica, everything is based on merit. That's what President Donald Trump told military leaders gathered in Quantico, Virginia today, about 30 miles outside of Washington, D.C., adding that political correctness will not win wars.
My message to you is very simple. I am with you, I support you, and as president, I have your backs 100%. You'll never see me even waver a little bit. It's the way it is.
President Donald Trump addresses admirals and generals, promising that together over the next few years,
we're going to make our military stronger, tougher, faster, fiercer, and more powerful than it has ever been before.
President Trump also tells top military brass so long to political correctness, adding that it's no way to run a country.
We went through political correct where you had to have people that were totally unfit to be doing what you're doing for many reasons I won't get into them.
He says now it's all based on merit, including their own jobs.
You're all based on merit. We're not going to have somebody taking your place for political reasons because they are politically correct and you're not. We take the people that are going to do the best job. That's all. It's very simple. We're bringing back a focus on fitness, ability, character, and strength. And that's because the purposes of American military is not to protect anyone's feelings. It's to protect our republic.
And Secretary of War Pete Hegseth says the military is done promoting military leaders based on race or gender.
And since waging war is so costly in blood and treasure, we owe our republic a military that will win any war we choose or any war that is thrust upon us.
The chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff emphasizing, even as we strive for and seek peace, we must be prepared for war.
We are living in dynamic and potentially dangerous times. Global risk is on the rise. Our adversaries are no longer aligning, they are aligned.
In addition, President Donald Trump told top military leaders today that he is committed to spending over $1 trillion on the military in 2026. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.